All right. Hello, everybody at home. My name is Mr. Spear. I am an intern from UNCW, and I'm going to teach you guys this quick lesson on percent composition. Let's see. I'll move this out of the way, actually. All right, percent composition. What we're basically looking at is what percentage of the weight, the total weight, is coming from each atom, right? So we have copper bromide right here. What is the total weight of this compound right here? What is that total weight? That would be 64 plus 80 plus 80. We all get 224 grams for total weight. Just like that. We're asked to find the percentage of, let's find copper. What is the percentage of copper in this copper bromide? Well, how much does copper weigh? 64 grams. How do you think we can find that percentage? Very good. 64 divided by 224 is going to give us 224 grams is going to give us 0.29. That's to round it up. There you go. That is the percentage of the weight that is in this copper bromide. Now, Mr. Perkins, do you want us to multiply by 100 to get a true percentage, or just leave it at this?
Yeah, we just call it 0.29 or 29%. Sorry.
Okay, yeah. So for the folks at home, if you want to put a percentage sign by it, you just have to multiply this decimal by 100, and that's how you get the percentage. 100, and that equals, right here, 29%. It's pretty intuitive. It's pretty straightforward. Let's go ahead and figure out what it is for bromide. So what's important to notice is that we have this number right here, which means 2 bromines. That means when we want to calculate the percentage, we got to make sure we have them both in there. So if bromine is 80, 2 of them would be 160. 160 divided by 224 is equal to, look at that, 0.71. If we want to put that in percentage, to multiply by 100, and we get our percentage, 71%. What's 71 plus 29? 100. Does that make sense, guys? Your two percentages right here have to add up to equal 100, and that's how you know you have the right percentages. That's pretty much what we're going to be doing and how it's going to be worked out. Let's go down and let's try. Here's a good one. Let's try problem number 3. Let's look at that. Let me unfreeze that. We have NH42S. Let's find the total weight of this real quick. All right, we have 14 plus 4, 18 times 2, 36, plus S, 32, equals 68 grams. All right, we are asked first for nitrogen. So we want to find the percentage of nitrogen in this entire weight in this compound. So how many nitrogen are we looking at? Are we looking at just one? Yeah, well, that's right. We're looking at two of them. So that means that we need to put a 28 right here, 28 over 68. That's going to give us 0.41. Let's write that right here real quick. And we can just do that 41%. All right, we just multiply by 100, get over. Let's look at hydrogen. How many hydrogens are we looking at? Looking at 8 of them, that's right. Hydrogen is 1, so we'll just go 8 over 68. 8 divided by 68 is equal to 0.12. And that just gives us 12%. And lastly, sulfur. How many of those do we have? Just the one. Let's go ahead and put 32 over 68. And that gives us 0.47. 47%. Check this out. We add up all the percentages. What do we get? 100%. So we know we did it right. Let's see if we can't find a hard one here. All right, let's look at number 7. This one's complex. Got a lot going on. All right. We have four different elements we're looking for here. 4 different things we got to keep track of. All right, so first, what we always do, calculate the total weight of this. Let's see here, NH43 is going to be 18 times 3 times 3, it's 54. PO4, so that's plus 31 plus, and O4 is equal to 64. So this grand total is 54 plus 31 plus 64. I got 149. 49 grams. Everybody else get that? I think so, yeah. All right. We're looking at hydrogen. How many hydrogen? No, nitrogen. How many nitrogens do we have? So we have, yes. We have 3 nitrogens, so that's going to be 14 times 3 equals 42 over 149 divided by 149 equals 0.28. 28%. I feel like you guys see this and know this pretty well. Let's see, how many hydrogens do we have? We have 3 pairs of 4, which means we have 12 hydrogens. 12 hydrogens weighs 12 grams. Let's just do 12 over 149. And that gives us 0.08, which is just 8%. How many phosphorus do we have? It's only 1. That weighs 31, so 31 over 149. 0.21, that's 21%. Down here. I mean, right now we could almost guess what the percentage of oxygen is going to be. Since we found all three of these, you can sort of see that if it's always going to end up to 100, you can sort of check yourself. But let's go ahead and just work it out real quick. Let's do 64 over 149. 64 divided by 149, that gives us 0.43, just 43%. Let's add these up and see if we reach 100. 28 plus 8 plus 43 plus 21. Look at that, 100. So as you can see, yes, that's about it. I mean, you should have all the tools you need to complete this. Cool.
Y'all try to do the rest of it. Try to do something like